If you're a man and not doing these 3 exercises daily, you're aging faster than you should. These aren't workouts, they're maintenance. The difference between moving well at 60 or struggling at 50. And exercise number 2, most men physically cannot do it properly. Hit subscribe right now because what I'm about to show you determines how well you age. Here's what most men miss about staying functional. You don't need harder workouts. You need daily maintenance. Your body is like a car. You can drive it hard occasionally, but without daily maintenance, it breaks down. These 3 exercises are your oil change. Skip them, and damage accumulates silently. Here are the 3 exercises, and exercise 3 predicts whether you'll stay independent or become dependent. Exercise 1, deep squat hold. Squat down as deep as you can, feet flat, hold for 90 seconds. Rock gently side to side. This position is natural for humans. Kids do it effortlessly, but sitting all day destroys it. The deep squat opens your hips, decompresses your spine, restores ankle mobility, all in one position. Most men can't hold this for 30 seconds. Their hips are locked up, ankles are stiff. Do this every morning. Work up to 90 seconds. This single hold maintains the mobility that keeps your entire lower body functional. Tight hips at 40 become debilitating hips at 60. This prevents that. Now exercise 2. This is where most men's limitations get brutally exposed. Exercise 2, dead bugs. Lie on your back, arms straight up, knees at 90 degrees. Lower your right arm overhead while extending your left leg. Keep your lower back flat on the floor. 3 sets of 8 reps per side. Most men can't keep their back flat. It arches. That reveals the core instability causing their back pain. Dead bugs fix it. They build anti-extension strength. That's what protects your spine, prevents compression, keeps you pain-free. This isn't about abs, it's about spinal protection. Master this, and you build the core stability that prevents the back injuries that sideline most men in their 50s. Quick pause. If this makes sense, hit that like button. Exercise 3. This one predicts whether you maintain independence or lose it. Exercise 3. Single leg balance. Stand on one leg, hold for 60 seconds, no touching down. Switch legs. Do this daily. Balance predicts fall risk. Falls are the #1 cause of injury death in men over 60. One bad fall, broken hip, loss of independence. The progression is predictable and preventable. If you can balance for 60 seconds, your fall risk is low. If you can't, you're at serious risk. Practice this daily, both legs. Build the stability that literally saves your independence decades from now. Why these 3 specifically? Deep squats maintain hip and ankle mobility. Dead bugs build core stability and back protection. Single leg balance prevents falls and maintains independence. Together, they address mobility, stability, and balance, the 3 capacities that determine how well you age. 8 minutes every morning, non-negotiable. This is your daily defense against aging. There you have it. 3 exercises every man should do daily. Deep squat holds for hip and ankle mobility, dead bugs for core stability and back protection, single leg balance for fall prevention and independence. 8 minutes every morning. The difference between aging strong and aging weak. Now smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, comment your age and whether you can hold a single leg balance for 60 seconds. Be honest. Share this with every man who wants to age well. And check out my complete daily mobility routine video up in the corner. 8 minutes every morning. Your future mobility depends on it. Start tomorrow, and I'll see you in the next one.